Hello everyone, welcome to the Sarita's Passion Work. Today I am going to show you very yummy kids friendly recipe. I hope you all will like it. Yes, you are right. Today I am going to make a pasta. For pasta, what ingredients we need, I am going to show you right now. For pasta recipe, we need penne pasta. You can get it any shop. Ragu old world style sauce, traditional with olive oil. Red sauce, I am taking red sauce. Water to boil. Some cloves, smashed cloves. Little bit red pepper. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Parmesan cheese, Alfredo homestyle sauce, white sauce, and some Maggi tomato ketchup. I am going to put water for boiling. Now water is boiling, so I am going to add salt to taste. Now I am cancelling the saute mode and putting Instant Pot on pressure cook mode. I set the timer 1 minute for cooking. I'm going to put lid on it. So let's wait for 1 minute to cook the pasta. Now our pasta is cooked. I'm going to release the pressure from Instant Pot to avoid the overcook. Now pasta is cooked. I'm draining the water from pasta now. You can see how softly pasta is cooked. I'm keeping Instant Pot to saute mode. Instant Pot is hot now. Now I am going to add 2 cubes of butter. Garlic cloves. Melting. So I am going to add some veggies like asparagus. Give a nice stir. I'm going to add white sauce. 2 tablespoons of white sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Red sauce, 2 tablespoons red sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, give a nice stir. Nice aroma is coming. Here, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper. Give a nice stir. Now I am going to put my cooked pasta. I am adding everything. Now our pasta is ready to eat. I'm switching off the instant pot now. I'm adding cheese, Parmesan cheese in it to taste. Now you can see our yummy pasta is ready to eat. See how it's looking? Very delicious, right? Kids will definitely love it, this pasta. I hope you will like my recipe today. Thank you for watching me on Sarita's Passion Work. Please like and subscribe me on my channel. Thank you so much.